In this short video, I'm going to show you how to move class lists from our class list master file into Idoceo. So we start with class lists in an Excel spreadsheet, and I'll start with my homeroom, and I'm just going to copy the list from here, and I'm going to just open a new Excel spreadsheet. Let's move it down a bit, and I'll just paste those names in there. Now we want to get rid of these numbers, but I'm happy with the actual names there. You want the first name and last name in one cell to import into Idoceo. Now the quickest way to get rid of all this slash and the number is to use the data option up here and text to columns. Now what that does is you can ignore this first page and go to the second one. In this box here, you just want to put this slash if it's not already there. And what that's going to do is take the slash out and, as you can see, put the numbers in a completely different cell. That's all you have to do. So plonk that there, finish, and then it separates the names from the numbers. Now we can delete that because we don't want it. And last but not least, we're going to save this. Now I'm going to save this as a CSV file down here. That one there. I'm going to put it on my desktop, and I'll call it, and I'll call it, no, I'm not going to call it Year 11 Homeroom. Doesn't matter what you call it. Save, and it'll just give you a question about this. Don't worry about that, just continue. Okay, now I'll close, and that's it. I can close that. I don't need to save that again, so don't save. Okay, I'm going to go to an email. I'm going to compose an email to myself, and here's my Year 11 homeroom. And I'm going to, you can see it, it's over here on the desktop. I can see it. You may not be able to see it on your own desktop, but you should be able to find it from using this thing here when you're looking at your desktop and scrolling through here. Now I called it Year 11, so there it is. I can take it from here and drag it onto my mail. I can take it from my desktop and drag it onto my mail. Click and drag. Okay. And right, it's now attached, and I'm going to send it to myself. Now what I'm going to do now is open my iPad, and I'll display that on the screen so you can see what's happening. Okay. Now what you can see here is my email to myself with this attached. So I will click on that on my iPad. That opens it up. Now down the bottom on the right hand side, which you can't see down here, is a little box with an arrow, and I'm going to click on that, and that gives me an option to open this page in Safari, which is what I want to do. And I click on there, and there's the list, and you can see up here that there it is, open in Idoceo. So I will do that, and I can just take this option, create a new class, and there's my list of names. And I'll go back to the front screen, and now I have a Year 9 class and my Year 11 homeroom class. I can edit that name now if I wanted to. But I'll show you how to do that next time, because I can't immediately see how to do that. But that's it. Okay, so you've already got that imported. So pretty easy procedure there to import from an Excel spreadsheet into classes. Okay.